Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can add music to your Instagram post. So without further ado, let's begin. So now to start, what we're going to do is to create a post. To do that, just tap on this add button. Now all we need to do is to select an image that we want to post. Now just tap on next. Now right here, you can see at the top this music icon. Just tap on that. It will then direct you to this page where you can select the music or the sound that you want to use. So now, for example, I want this music to be added to my post. So now what I'm going to do is just to tap on this music, and then it will be automatically added to my post. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.